In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media buttons to Shopify Store. By the end, your customers will see clean, clickable icons that lead straight to your social profiles, helping you build trust and keep shoppers connected with your brand. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store. From there, open your current theme in the editor by selecting Edit Theme or Customize. This takes you into the Visual Builder where you can change how your storefront looks and behaves. Inside the theme editor, look for the Settings or Theme Settings area, typically at the bottom left. In many themes, you'll find a social media section here. If you see it, click it. This is where you'll add the links to your profiles. Paste the full URLs to each account you want to display. Use the complete web address, not just a username. For example, paste the exact link you would share with a customer if you wanted them to land on your profile in one click. Add as many platforms as your theme supports, keeping it to the channels you actually use. When you're done adding links, click Save so the theme remembers them. Now let's make those icons visible on your storefront. In the left-hand panel of the editor, locate the announcement bar section. This is the thin strip that usually sits at the very top of your site. Open it and look for the option to enable or show social media icons. Turn that on. As soon as you do, you should see the icons appear in the live preview. They'll automatically use the profile URLs you entered earlier, so there's no need to add them twice. Click Save again to publish the changes. A couple of quick tips to finish strong. Copy your profile URLs directly from your browser to avoid typos, then test each icon in the preview to confirm it opens the correct page in a new tab. Keep your selection focused. Show only the platforms where you're active so customers aren't sent to empty profiles. If you don't see a social media option in settings, that's okay. Some themes still let you enable the icons from the announcement bar alone. After toggling the icons on, check the preview to confirm they're pulling through correctly. That's it. You've connected your social profiles and turned on the icons in the announcement bar, giving visitors an easy way to follow and engage with your brand. Save your work, refresh your storefront, and you're all set.